The big new 600 ml cool shape of Coca-Cola, preferred by everyone.
Introducing a Little Downy. Ultra Downy. It's much smaller, and just one tiny capful gives you the fluffiest softness. Watch.
1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4.
Case closed. Ultra Downy. One tiny capful for the height of softness.
Mom's horror stories. Lawn crushing. Veggie drenching. Grass stomping. To whiten these horrible stains, you need Liquid Tide with Bleach Alternative. A great way to whiten all your clothes. Now you can get whites this dirty, this dazzling. And Liquid Tide with Bleach Alternative whitens without chlorine bleach, so it's safe to pre-treat even the brightest colors. Now Liquid Tide helps clothes look better, longer. Just look for the socks on the label.
Here's a real weather summer forecast. Hot with plenty of heat. Polytown brings you the hottest blend of summertime hits, featuring premier Shabba Ranks and TBTBT. Plus DJ Ray and all-time classics by Aswad, Toots Hibbert, Bob Marley and Boris Gardner. 16 sizzling tracks including the new reggae version of this year's biggest hit. Believe it! You're gonna have a long hot scorching summer with Ragga Heat. Ragga Heat, available now on CD and cassette from Polytel.